Okay, for module 2, today we are going to learn on aquifer influx. So, aquifer influx is also known as water influx. So, what is water influx? So, we have the natural water influx, and this is water influx is a phenomena where it's a result of the oil production. And when you produce oil, your pressure in the reservoir will drop. So this pressure is also felt in the aquifer connected to the reservoir. So this aquifer will expand or it will enlarge. Enlarge and expand mean it become larger. It start to inhibit the reservoir. And this aquifer influx will provide pressure to support the reservoir. And degree of pressure support depends on the size and the flow characteristic of our aquifer. So you can see from the picture here is a reservoir. So this is your oil, the green part, and the blue part is your water or aquifer. And figure number 1 is showing the initial pressure and the initial water influx. Means water influx, the force of water that entering the reservoir. So initially it will be 0. And the second diagram is showing that when you produce oil, so this is your well that you dig into a reservoir. And when you produce oil from this well, so oil will start to go into this oil well, and then this water will starting to fill up the oil part of the reservoir. So this water is the water influx. So the pressure here will be different. It is known as P, P1, P2, P3 until whatever pressure, and the water influx you will have a value here. So the value of water influx instead of 0. So for water influx models, we have 3 models. The first one is the simple material balance model. The second one is the ideal model, which is the steady state model. And lastly, we will learn on the unsteady state model.